What is earthing? The process of sharing the charges with the earth is called earthing. Now, what do you mean by sharing the charges with the earth? Earth is a very large object and it has a high capacity of receiving the electrons as well as giving the electrons. So it can give away as many electrons as possible you need, and it can receive as many electrons as you give. But its charge doesn't change. It is as if you remove one glass of water from sea. Suppose you remove one glass of water from sea, the sea water level will not change because that one glass of water has nothing to do with that huge amount of water it has already got. Similarly, Earth has a high capacity of holding the charges, so it can give away any number of electrons you need, and it can receive as much as electrons as you give, and its charge doesn't change. So, if you have already a charged body like this, say it is positively charged, that means somebody must have removed electrons from this body. And so, this is positively charged and this has scarcity of electrons. Somebody might have removed electrons from this. Now, Earth is always indicated by three lines like this. This is the representation of the Earth. So, if you connect this charged body to the Earth, already this is lacking in electrons, so this is in need of electrons. So Earth is ready to supply electrons to this body. Electrons flow from the Earth to the body and neutralize this body. So the flow of electrons continue till this body is neutralized. So the body gets neutralized by receiving electrons from this. So this is the method of sharing the electrons. So electrons are coming from the Earth to the body. Suppose some have added electrons to a body. That means they have made the body to get negatively charged. Electrons are residing here now. So this is a negatively charged body. It has gained negative charge by receiving electrons. Now you connect this to the Earth through a wire like this. So if this is Earth connected, what happens is this has already excess electrons. So these excess electrons will flow from the body to the Earth and get neutralized. So anything which is connected to the Earth, either it will lose electrons if it is already charged negatively, and it will gain electrons if it is already charged positively, thereby neutralizing the both in both the cases. So when a charged body is connected to the Earth, electrons flow from Earth to the body if it was positively charged, and finally it gets neutralized, and electrons flow from the body to the Earth if it was already negatively charged, and here also it gets neutralized. So this is a method of earth connecting. Now this earthing is very much needed. We have an earthing connection in our house also. Suppose any electrical instrument has some stray charges on its body, and if you touch it, those charges will flow to the earth through your body. So that is what we say that we feel a shock. So in order to avoid it, because it is very dangerous, we connect the body of all the electrical instruments to the earth by using another wire. So we have three connections for every plug. So the third connection goes to the earth. So if there are any stray charges, if there are any leakage of charges on the surface of the instrument, we connect it to the earth, and those charges will flow to the ground and making the body safe, and there may not be any problem with such an instrument. So that is the importance of earthing. And even the high buildings will have some lightning arresters. So there will be some metallic strips like this, sharp shaped strips, and they will be connected to the earth, because by the time the clouds pass by this by the side of the lightning arrestor, the charges in the clouds will pass through the wires and the lightning arrestor through the wires into the earth, and making those charges easily to flow to the earth, and thereby protecting the building. Otherwise, these charges, when they flow to the earth without these wires, and they will hit the building, and they have lot amount of energy, they create harm to the building. So in order to avoid that, we give a safe path to those charges of the clouds to flow to the ground, and by using lightning arresters. So here also we use earth connection.